finally got some subscribers to your email list, and now you want to start getting some interaction from them. You want them to read the information and answer your calls to action. But first, you must get them to open your emails. That starts with writing subject lines that encourage them to act. Pique interest. Don't give everything away in the subject line. Instead, use the space to make them want to open the email and know more. Think about what they see when they get the email in their inbox and put the words in the right order to pique interest. Tease. Email subject lines are a good way to bring humor and fun personality to your messages. Keeping your audience in mind, make your email subject lines evoke the emotions that your audience needs to open them. Curiosity. The email subject line should make the reader curious enough to open it. If you know the audience you're sending emails to well, and you should, it should not be difficult to craft curiosity-seeking email subject lines for them. Be upfront. You don't want to mislead your audience, so be careful about trying to be too clever with your email subject lines. If they feel duped when they open the email, no matter how good your offer is, they'll be unhappy.